2, 3, 4.
Hey brothers and sisters, Tactical Santa here. And what I wanted to do today is kind of make a how-to video. I get asked a lot of times, what's oil for, what's butter for, and what's balm for? So I just want to put together a video and kind of give you some knowledge. Not saying that I know everything, but how I use product and how I use them in what order. So let's start off. First off, let's talk about oil. And it doesn't matter whose oil you use. I got some oils that I use, some companies. It doesn't matter. Oil is going to be for your skin. So when you get it, you're going to put it in your hand. You're going to get it all warmed up. You're going to get it into your beard. We're going to want to get it down to the skin because that's what oil is for. Oil is for the skin. It's not actually for the beard hair. It's for the skin because we want to fight that dreaded beard dandruff. So oil is the first step. And once you get that applied, you're going to let it sit for about 5 minutes. Let it do a dry down. And here we go. Let's give you a demonstration on how we use beard oil. All right, guys, you want to take your desired amount, get it into your palm. After you get your desired amount in your palm, you're going to warm it up, get it up to heat. Then you're going to put it in your beard. You want to make sure it gets down to the skin, get it all over, get it in good, get it throughout your beard. And if you have any excess left, you can always use the excess and rub it on your arms. And I also like to rub it in my hair. Next up, I want to talk about liquid butter. I get asked a lot about liquid butter since it's kind of a newer type of product. So a lot of them you can use if you want as an oil and a butter. Some are like that, but it doesn't matter whose you use, whether it's this one, whether we got that. I have used a lot of different liquid butters. But one important thing about a liquid butter is before you use it, you want to shake it up really good. That way it's ready to go. So let's take a look at how we use liquid butter. All right, guys, once you've shaken it up and got it ready, get your desired amount in your hand. Now we're going to warm it up. We're going to work it in our palm. There we go. Once it's ready. Now this is for the beard, so we're going to work it into our beard. Up top, all the way around it, and underneath the beard, we're also going to work it in. We want it to be nourished, and you can use excess on your hair and your body. If you made it this far in my video, please subscribe and like my channel. I try to help everybody out, try to give you my knowledge, but please like and subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. Thank you. The last product I get asked a lot about is liquid balm. And currently, the liquid balm I use is by Florida Boys Grooming. It's called Atomic Balm. It's the only liquid balm I know of out there at the moment. There might be some other ones, but this is just the one that I've been using. Balm is different than your oil and your butter. Balm is used more for styling. So if you want the beard to stay in place, you want more hold, I would suggest a liquid balm or a regular balm. But like I said, I get asked a lot about this liquid balm. It's kind of newer to the market. And just like the other one, you want to shake it up, get it ready to go. And let's see how we use it. Once you've shaken the bottle, now it's ready. We're going to apply some to our palm. I like to use about a quarter's worth. Once it's in the palm, we're going to work it in our palm with the other hand, get it ready, heat it up. Then we are going to apply the balm, the liquid balm, to the beard, on the top of the beard. You notice I'm not running my hands through the beard, just on the top, because there's a styling agent. So we're going to style it with our hands, get it ready, get it in place, because next we're going to take a boar's hair brush and we are going to style the beard. As you notice when I am brushing, I don't run it through the beard. I'm just doing the top. I'm trying to get it in place where I want it to stay for the day. I'm trying to get it styled how I like it. Once you have it styled and you like where you're at, you're now ready to rock and roll. You've got it styled. I covered oil, liquid butter, and liquid balm. Hopefully, I've shared some knowledge to you. Hopefully, it gives you a better idea of some stuff. But anyway, thank you very much, and I will be putting out some more content. Hopefully, it helped you. Tactical Santa order is for life.